Welcome to Toolkit.law, your legal tech command center. From the home page, click Tools, then head to the App Store. In the Microsoft accordion, you'll discover how to fully integrate Toolkit.law with your Microsoft workspace. Whether you're on Windows, Microsoft 365, Word, Outlook, Teams, or Excel, we've got you covered. Install the Toolkit.law app for Windows or activate the Toolkit.law Assistant to bring over 1,500 legal tools and calculators directly into your everyday Microsoft platforms. You'll also find step-by-step instructions to set Toolkit.law as your homepage and startup screen in Microsoft Edge, ensuring instant access every time you launch your browser. Draft documents, sync with Teams, review emails, all while Toolkit.law powers your legal work in the background. No switching tabs, no lost time. Toolkit.law and Microsoft together deliver unmatched legal productivity. Visit the App Store and activate your integration today.